Hi and welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I want to show you how to grill and what parts you can eat of an artichoke. Today I have a healthy recipe for you guys. I'm going to grill an artichoke. An artichoke is quite an intimidating vegetable. Well, actually, it's a flower bud. It's kind of weird. It has these like spiny leaves on the outside, and it's not really apparent right away how you can cook it or what you can eat of it. But actually, it's a very, very tasty vegetable, and it's full of flavor. It's full of protein. It's full of antioxidants and full of fiber. Personally, I'm not really too much into vegetables. I'm a meat guy. I eat way too much red meat. But my wife really likes these things, and so I make them for her. I've tried them out, and I have to say, it is really pretty good. So it has become a bit of a staple at our family barbecues. So let me show you how to do it. Start by cutting off about a third of the top of the artichoke. Rub a little lemon juice on it to keep it from turning brown. Then cut off the leaves at the bottom of the stem, mainly the ones that are freestanding and dried out, and peel the stem and cut off all but an inch of it. Steam the artichokes for about 30 to 40 minutes until the inner leaves pull out easily. Then cut the artichokes in half and remove the choke with a spoon. Just scoop it right out. Grill the artichokes for a few minutes on both sides, just enough for a few char marks to appear and to absorb those charcoal flavors. Alright guys, so here we have our artichokes. So did you see, after steaming the artichokes, I cut them up, and basically on the inside there was this, like flowers, like petals basically. It's called the choke, and you have to remove it as, it's really not an edible part, and you might actually choke on it. That's why it's called the choke, I guess. But yeah. So after steaming and grilling, here's our artichoke ready to eat. So let me show you how to do it. So basically you want to remove the outside leaves. Just slightly, just peel them right off. Just like this. Just pull them right off. Should be fairly simple at this stage. Okay, and then what you're left with is the artichoke heart. And that's basically the really nice, meaty and delicious portion. But even in the leaves, there's always a little bit of meat just on the bottom, and you can just suck that off basically. You can dip it in a dip or just eat it basically. Just go for it, and with your teeth, you can just kind of take off the meat at the bottom of these leaves. It's good. With the olive oil and the salt that we put on, you don't even need a dip. Right? So you can see it here. It's like a very small. This is the meat I'm talking about. Just this little bit. This is full of flavor. Really yummy. Really good. Yeah. Look at this one more time. You can basically scrape it off. You can do that in your mouth with your teeth, basically. This part. This is what I'm talking about. Very good. And then the artichoke heart, you could cut it up, you can quarter it, or you can mash it up, and you can put it in your favorite dip. You know, you can go creative with this. You can do like a lobster dip and serve it on the table kind of as a starter, or you can eat it just like this. You know, just right from the grill, eat it as a side, eat it as a side vegetable. It's pretty amazing, pretty delicious. It's really good. Personally, I never looked at artichoke. It didn't call my attention. But once I got into it, thanks to my wife, it's amazing. You should definitely try it. If you haven't tried artichoke yet, try it. Do it on the grill. You won't regret it. Thank me later. Don't forget, tune in to next week's episodes and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Thank you so much.